Our customers are so incredibly important to us. We're individuals with a lot of different strengths in a variety of fields, and we're coming together to provide solutions for our customers.
WellWorx is a company that sells artificial lift products into the oil and gas industry. We're striving and working to bring new technology through better well operations, lower maintenance costs, to bring about positive change to make our customers' lives better.
What sets us apart from our competitors is our adaptability, not only from the way we're completing these wells, but is able to provide our customers with solutions at a fast pace.
We're striving to build and implement solutions that are truly differentiators.
We host barbecues and we sponsor them to come into trainings.
We put on schools here at our facility. When our employees and customers come to WellWorx, I want them to have a good time, and I want it to be fun and enjoyable. We promote that through car shows. We have crawfish bowls, barbecue. We have raffles.
Our downhill tools, they are built from scratch right here in Midland, Texas. They come in as chunks of metal and they go out as these amazing collection of innovative tools.
Everything we do, you can't do it without really highly skilled individuals.
If a customer steps into WellWorx, I want them to feel warm, welcome. I want our culture to touch them.